My lords, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 67th annual luncheon of UKWA. I would like to acknowledge at this point all the help and support I have had over the last 4 years as chairman of the board and co-opted members. And so as I step down, I hand over a well-running machine.
Hi, my name is John Maguire. I'm the newly elected chairman of the United Kingdom Warehousing Association. I'm very pleased and honoured to have taken over as chairman from Derek Potter of the Potter Group, who's done a tremendous job over the last 4 years as chairman of the association. We've seen a significant increase in new members of the association, and we expect that to continue over the next year or so. We are delivering lots of new services to association members, and we believe that these new services are attractive and are delivering lots of benefits to the association members.
Because it's my the last meal I prepare before I go home to Paris. It's the tradition of the hotel that we do something a little special for the lunchtime function. And my colleagues have decided I have to sing you a little song. But this helps my nerves and helps me because the DJ man, he has a track. Whatever he plays, I have to sing to. So without any further ado, maestro, whatever you have for me, thank you.
Why don't we sing something together, okay? Something for the beautiful ladies in this room today, okay? Something romantica.
Tell me, when will you be mine? Tell me
You know, this next song, I'd like you all to join in. If you don't know the words, make them up. We always do. Giovanni is not really Italiano. In fact, I'm Rory from South Kensington. Hello. And we are Waiters Encore. Thank you very much indeed.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 12th occasion that we've held the UKWA Awards to warehousing. Crying in disappointment is not allowed, and neither is buggering off before the end. So, we're going to make 2 presentations now. These awards focus on individuals. First, we have the Employee of the Year. Now, in this category, the judges were looking for sound professional competency, but more importantly, key personal attributes. The winner is an excellent role model, shows an enthusiasm for customer service, and is committed to career development.
The winner is Des Bailey from Century Logistics.
Okay, next up is Warehouse Manager of the Year Award, sponsored by Luxonic Lighting.
We have 2 outstanding candidates. They are Gary Rudkin of Simarco International and Paul Wilson of Century Logistics.
The winner is Paul Wilson from Century Logistics.
Well, I like to think that I've won the UKWA Manager of the Year award for my commitment to the long-term, short-term and medium-term goals of the contract and the overall dedication of my company, Century Logistics.
Our third category is Best New Member, sponsored by Knapp UK Limited. This is a corporate award given to the company which shows the highest professional standards on entry to UKWA membership. And we have 3 finalists in this category. They are Simple Storage from Rochdale, Bray Storage Solutions from Peterborough, and Toyota Shusho from UK from Derby.
And the winner is Toyota.
We joined the UK Warehousing Association last October, basically to raise the profile of Toyota Shusho outside of the automotive domain. And this is testimony to that, hard work. I think it's a fantastic motivator. I've just been talking to my general manager, and I would like to bring all the troops together tomorrow morning and give them a good pat on the back and say, well done, this is testimony to your hard work over the last 6 years, and onwards and upwards.
The next category is the Training Award, and it is given for training achievement and can be presented to an individual or organisation or both.
We had PF Whitehead's submission, which describes a team totally committed to training and developing its 100 workforce in line with the changing needs of business. And we have Wincanton, all the way from Yeovil, who in April 2010 won a contract to manage the production stores of Augustus Westland, the helicopter manufacturer.
And the winner is DHL Supply Chain.
It was a team project. It wasn't just a training department. We actually worked through the HR department, through the production, through the quality department, and it's a team effort. Congratulations to everybody within the team.
But before we go also on to the next category, our judges, fine men that they are, took a great deal of time over this particular category. There was no doubt that DHL thoroughly deserved to win, but the judges felt moved to recognise the effort of PF Whitehead. So if someone from PF Whitehead can jump forward, you can receive it. We now focus on the award category, which always tests the judges. It is the Innovation and Technology Award. The finalists in this category are Jungheinrich UK for their flat battery. No, sorry, not for their flat battery. It is a newly launched Jungheinrich EJE112i power pallet truck. Translift Bendy for their single double pallet handling attachment for the B55 truck, which means handling time is half, productivity increased as two pallets can be stacked side by side. And Lindy Materials Handling, they put forward a semi-automated navigation system that can be configured to provide an interface for warehouse management system, software systems in standard VNA truck.
The winner of Technology and Innovation for this year is Lindy.
Technology and Innovation. Lindy have a new system which we fit to our man-up narrow aisle trucks, which allows us to turn a manual truck into a semi-automated truck. So it means whether an operator gets on that's a novice or it's an operator that's been working a truck for many years, we will get the same throughput with the system.
Our sixth award is for services to the environment. A bit of a challenge for this industry, but we are doing our bit.
We have two finalists. They are Hopica for their tracker battery system, which enables forklift truck operators to cut their carbon footprint. And then we have Eldest Transport for a number of key improvements they've made in a variety of areas, resulting in a significant saving of money and fuel. Martin, who's the greenest of them all?
Winner is Eldest Transport.
Three to go, and the next one is an award for Team of the Year.
It might be a good idea if I remind everyone who the finalists are. Expect Distribution from Bradford. Their submission tells of the challenges of a company move to a new £9 million facility at the heart of the motorway network in West Yorkshire. Edwards Transport Shropshire Limited. This is a story of what can be achieved by a small company blessed with outstanding workers and empathetic management. And it's them again, Century Logistics. But that's what can happen if you have a story to tell and you submit a nomination. The controlled and rapid expansion of Century Logistics came about not only because of the charismatic and visionary leadership of its MD, who wrote this, but mostly because of its committed workforce. This is their story. Okay, Robert, do the business.
And the winner is Expect Distribution. Congratulations.
The company's gone through, in terms of warehousing, Expect is an established transport supplier. In terms of the warehousing, it's a side of the business which we've worked on really hard in expanding over the last 2 years with building a new site. So there's been quite a quick expansion, and the team have worked really hard to cope with that expansion.
Now, the penultimate award is for customer service, and they are Expect Distribution, a family-owned business who have shown a consistently high standard of customer service. Paul Ponsonby. Their nomination tells how they have not lost a single customer to a competitor since introducing their customer commitment plan, Briggs Equipment. Briggs' submission describes how Briggs Customer Care has revolutionised the way in one of their customers, Viridor, operates his forklift trucks. SafeLinks is an online retailer of fire safety goods. Their submission tells how their comprehensive and successful customer service policy has benefited them and their customer. And finally, Jeffco. They submitted details of a project designed to develop its service to the cycle and motorcycle sector even. A long list, but all worthy finalists. Well done to you all, but there can be only one.
And the winner is Expect Distribution.
Our whole company is built up around the service we give to our customers. We take great pride in it, and it's a family-run business. So it's a side of things that we really concentrate on, giving the customers the best, giving them all the information they need at a touch of a button or reading a report, and good all-round service from the team. It really is a team effort.
Finally, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Chairman's Award, and can I invite our Chairman, Derek Potter, to come to the stage, together with Simon Brown, the Managing Director at Translift Bendy, who are the sponsors for this category. He's been our National Chairman for 4 years, an unprecedented tour of office. And all of you understand the pressures of time on employers. Tenacity, determination, wisdom, good instincts, knowing what's right, and the ability to persuade people without bullying are all characteristics he's displayed, together with a canny ability to keep a firm control on the corporate purse. But coming from Yorkshire, I guess that's part of his DNA. I mean, he's been a great chairman. We thank you for your individual and valuable contribution to the association in recent years, and we look forward to your continued support as a vice president. And could I ask now, Simon, please come and announce who has won.
Ken Richards.
May I thank again all those companies who sponsored aspects of today's events. Thank you for coming, and have a safe journey home.